I want to share with you today a couple of little things about the adapter plates and the bolt PCD. We've had the odd elan customer who has gone to fit our CV drive shafts and they've got back to us and said they don't fit. Well, on further investigation, we found that a Series 2 and sometimes a Series 3 elan has been fitted with Series 1 axle wheel shaft and also the diff output shaft. The early Series 1 PCD is slightly larger than the Series 2, Series 3 and Series 4. And I've got an original Lotus wheel axle shaft here, which we use as a little test jig. But I'll just plonk it on the adapter plate there, and you see it just fits on beautifully. You turn it around, and it'll fit on again, just slides on lovely. They do fit perfectly, we know that. However, some people have said there's something wrong with their shaft, but definitely not. They are designed to fit S2, S3 and S4 perfectly. The PCD on the Elan Plus 2 is also exactly the same, just that the intermediate shaft is longer to cater for the wider track in the Plus 2. So if you're actually checking, an easy and quick check is to just measure across the studs, and you should get about 93.8 to 94 millimetres across the studs. That's on the outside. That is a quick check. It's not the PCD. And that will tell you if you've got the proper drive shaft, diff outputs and wheel axle in your elan. If it's different from that, if it's more, like another, it might be 95 mil, there's chances are that you've got an early system in your car and you'll have to rectify it. We do have a drawing, a CNC drawing and program to make the early plates. We actually sent one set to South Africa because he didn't want to update. But it'd be better if you updated your diff outputs and the wheel axle shaft to the later style, and you'd be right. So I just thought I'd make that clear to you and point out what the differences are, just to clear up any confusion.